In this video I'm going to show you how to send high-quality videos on WhatsApp and how to send HD video on WhatsApp. Please like and share this video for other people see it for higher recommendation. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Now open your WhatsApp. Enter the contact you want to send HD video. Now click on the camera icon. Select the video. Now click on the HD icon at the top. Check on HD quality. You now send HD video to your contact. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.